So hey guys, welcome back to day 4 of the Delhi vlog, or the last part of the Delhi vlog, in which we leave from Delhi and reach Bangalore. So I'll meet you while we leave for the to the airport. Currently it's 12 o'clock and we have to leave from the room at 2 o'clock. So I'll meet you at that time. Bye. So guys, we are leaving. So guys, we are finally in the Indira Gandhi International Airport, terminal number 2. So guys, we are proceeding towards the security check. So guys, the security check is done and we are gonna go to our gate and wait. Yeah, gate and wait. It's gate number 20. It's 3:30 right now. Our flight is at 5:15, 5:25. So I guess it will start around 4:50 or 5. It may the boarding. So let's see. So guys, we are here at our gate. So guys, I had pizza and garlic bread from Pizza Hut, and I've taken Subway cookies to eat on the flight, and currently it's 4:45 and the boarding has started. As you can see, we are just waiting for the queue to finish. So guys, we are done with the scanning thing and now we are here where I can touch the ceiling. And unfortunately, it's not the aero bridge or the thing. It's not the aero bridge. Yeah, it's the bus. So. So guys, we have reached Bangalore airport and my gimbal / camera is at 15%. 15, not 50, alright? So I don't know whether I can record the whole thing or not, but anyways, we have reached Kempegowda International Airport and man, there's a whole new feel over here. So guys, it's raining. So guys, we have finally reached home, and thanks for watching this vlog series, and I'll meet you in the next video. Stay safe, wear a mask, bye.